Good morning everyone. I just woke up. I went to the bathroom and I put on some clothes. So I shall go eat breakfast now and then I'll put on some makeup. Wait, I should do my skincare routine now so it dries and then I can do my makeup. Okay, I'm gonna go do my skincare routine now. I'm so sorry, I just woke up. Wow, I look like a ghost. Okay. Last night I had a dream and my boyfriend came to visit, so I'm just saying, Alvaro, you have to make this dream come true. I literally did almost nothing to my face. I did my eyebrows, put in a bit of highlighter in here, and then mascara. And that's literally it. You already know this by my last vlog. I'll catch you in the bus. Just a little side note. One of my friends was like, Hanna, in your last vlog you did not brush your teeth. I did brush my teeth. I just didn't put it in the video. I mean, do you want to see that? I can guarantee 100% that you do not want to see me brushing my teeth. It's not cute. Honestly, I really doubt there's anyone in this world who actually looks cute brushing their teeth. People are staring at me, so that's cool, I guess. So as you can see, I already got my laptop. Well, I just did, with the UPF logo on it, which is my uni. Mark and I said that we'd go study a bit. We don't really do this ever. Anyway, we arrived to the library. And here's Mark. You already know this guy. He's stupid.
Hello.
I'm gonna present you a new friend of mine.
My name is Vanessa. I'm 18 years old and currently I'm studying a lot of degrees, exams.
She's very intelligent, as you can tell. I thought her name was Clarissa.
And Marisa.
It's actually Vanessa. I'm gonna write it in the screen so you can see and you don't make the same mistakes as I did. Next person and last person.
Hi, jo no parlo tan bé l'anglès, com ells. Pots parlar en català i posar uns subtitles, que guai.
Sí,
Pues jo em dic Sara i també estic estudiant el doble grau amb aquests dos d'aquí.
Aquests dos d'aquí.
No, vull dir, que lleig, no?
No, she's a sweetheart, really.
Bueno, que vagi bé.
He wants me to stop filming, so I do what he tells me.
Hello, my fans of the world. I'm named.
Haz un vídeo.
Yeah.
Yo quería una foto y está aquí. Visca Andorra, ¿no? O algo así.
Yeah. Long live Andorra. I'm from Andorra. Andorra is the best of the world. You have to visit Andorra. A que sí, Anna?
Yes, of course. What are we doing right now?
Mira, estem demanant pel restaurant i quina calor que fa, eh?
Do you want a ticket? I'm gonna eat.
Hi people, hi everybody. Today we are going to have a really great vlog of Anna's and we are eating all together, COVID free. Oh yes. Okay, bye people.
Look at Naim.
Hi everybody, I'm Naim and I'm eating.
I'm Mirin.
I have to introduce you the king of the double degree. Mr. Nasi.
Hi, Nasi. Hi everyone, I'm Nasi. I'm a student here.
And he's a king. Why are you a king?
I'm not.
Tell us the story. No, I'm not. Tell us the story.
It was carnival and our teacher for us half point to our final mark. We got a costume for the next class. So I dressed up as a prom king.
Enjoy your meal, king.
Love you.
Look at them. They are eating pizza. I'm so envious. What did you do today?
I did translation class, I did English class. I laughed a lot in English class.
Really?
Yeah. Because we have this friend Arnau. He's so funny, but we laugh like a lot. And you're in the middle of class, and he turns around and do like.
Oh, I know him. I know Arnau.
Arnau.
Oh,
blue
he's
eyes.
so yeah. Oh, I love him.
He's so cute.
What did you do today?
Class. Well, I didn't. She skipped the first class. Yes.
She did?
I was sleeping.
Why are you looking so hot today?
Thank you.
Can you model it for us? I'm not. Can you model your outfit for us?
models.
Yeah, please.
But with
I have a Kardashian ass.
You sexy bitch. I love you, bitch.
I love you, bitch. Oh my god. I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
Eres family friendly. Uy, perdó. Això sí era un pip.
No. Yo vull sortir amb la paraula bitch.
I don't fuck with.
Bitch.
Nasi, how does it feel to be a celebrity? Are you?
I'm not a celebrity.
Are you scared of paparazzi?
Yes.
Obvio.
Why do you have a Kardashian butt?
Es por el pantalón. Es el pantalón. Pero bueno, que lo tengo siempre.
We are inside of class right now because we have to do a project, and I have here Anne, and then Becca, and then Paula's over there. She has to be in a reunion because she's a delegate. Can we take a moment to appreciate Anne's laptop screen? Wallpaper, yeah. Background. Not you correcting me, bitch. It's Kimi no Nawa, by the way. If you haven't seen it, I forgot the library's laptop in the library, so I will have to rely on Rebecca's laptop. Habéis descargado episodio. Just look at my animation. I'm so good at animating. By the way, that's me if you can't tell. I'm really good.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular.
Coming to you from Anna Productions. That was literally it. The real life version of what you just saw. I've improved my animation. Can we just take a look at it, please? Boom, boom. And now the real life version coming to you from Rebecca and Anne. So we've decided to give up on the animation and basically we started to do a PowerPoint. Look at Rebecca. She's so pretty. Thank you. Let's show it to you. It's amazing. Wow. Fantastic.
Wow, fantastic, baby.
I was born to do this. We haven't finished the project yet, but we will eventually. I have some leftovers from lunch. I was supposed to give them to Danny, but he didn't want them because he got mad at me. If you're watching this, I'm sorry if I was very harsh on you. That's just how I express my love. So yeah, don't be mad at me. Love you. Well, I'm back home. I'm tired. Also, can we take a moment to appreciate this one call? It literally has stayed the entire day. This call is more persistent than many of my exes. Also, my boyfriend is currently streaming on Twitch. So if you're interested in following him, I'm gonna leave his links down below. If you stayed until the very end of this video, please comment the diamond emoji down below. And if you're willing to subscribe to my channel, please click on the notification bell so you'll never miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I hope I'll see you on our next video. Bye! I'm having trouble with my outro, yeah. Okay, diamond emoji. The diamond? What's that? Hanna.